Since 1928, Lambert Peat Moss has built a remarkable reputation as a leader in the horticultural industry. Now in our fourth generation of family commitment, we remain devoted to meet the needs of customers by offering superior and consistent media. Lambert African Violets Mix is formulated for plants that have low light requirements and have very fine roots, like African violets and other members of the Gesneriid family, plus Gloxinias, Apiaceae, and Streptocarpus. These plants grow best in a substrate like ours that has high organic matter, good aeration, and drainage that promotes root growth. For best results, we have included sphagnum peat moss, horticultural perlite, dolomitic and calcitic limestones for pH adjustment. We wish you a successful flourishing season. Quality is and always has been a priority at Lambert Peat Moss. Our ultimate goal is to offer the very best nature-friendly products available. From our family to yours, we are honored to be at the root of your success. To learn more, please visit us online at lambertpeatmoss.com.